Hi everyone, my name is Jacob Smith and my presentation today will be over how Gold's Gym, which is the company that I work for, is managing change and efficiently employing the skills and abilities of the workforce. To start out, we'll go through managing change, and to me that is all about managing the changes that are presented to a company. Is quite simple, and how a company handles change and goes about maximizing change. So with Gold's Gym, there's been two things going on. One, obviously we have COVID. COVID has been a big change that a lot of companies have had to manage. But then we also are managing the change in ownership. We have a brand new company owning Gold's Gym. If you haven't heard, Gold's Gym went bankrupt at the end of 2020. COVID did not help. And we ended up being bought out by a company that owns the largest gym chain in Europe, which is great. But they're wanting to change things around and make sure that we are successful moving forward. So a couple things where Gold's Gym has succeeded, this new company has simplified everything. Before, everything was such a complex process that it was annoying, it was frustrating, and it was hard to get through. So from signing up to memberships to signing up for training, everything has been simplified. From utilizing different gym locations, everything has been simplified. They've done a great job in making things easier for both members and employees. Another area where they succeed is offering surveys weekly to hear feedback from employees. Before, we didn't get enough of that. It was corporate's way or the highway, and finally with new ownership, they're open to hearing where the company's done great, where the company can succeed, and that feedback has been very motivating to be an employee for the company. And then with COVID, as simple as can be, we're just following guidelines, taking proper precautions to clean equipment, wipe equipment down, wear our masks, and make everyone wear masks into the gym. They don't have to work out with them on, but they have to enter the gym with them on, which has been it's been very beneficial to help ease nerves and the fears of individuals who are scared of coming back to the gym. Where the company's failed, not communicating with frontline employees. I know I stated in the previous slide that they're offering surveys for employees to give their feedback. However, they're not communicating with frontline employees, resulting in improving on our feedback. The communication is very minimal. There's a lot of things that are actually changing within the gym that our own employees who work in the gym don't even know about. And it's very frustrating because members bring it up all the time and we don't have an answer for them. And then the next area where they have failed is messing up important information with members and even employees. So for instance, my health insurance, I wasn't getting deducted my health insurance, and that's a big thing. I didn't know if I was enrolled in health insurance. They messed that up with the ownership change. And then they've been messing up members' information with billing, whether it's for memberships or training. I've had instances where some of my clients were not wanting to train or come to the gym because of COVID, and we requested to freeze or put their account on hold. That wasn't happening. Managers were not doing that. HR was not doing that. They were getting billed $600 a month for sessions they weren't using because they didn't want to come back to the gym. So they were messing up with that important information, and now I have a client that I love and enjoy who's mad and upset, not with me, but with the company, and that hurts my business. Now I want to go into how the company has efficiently been employing the skills and abilities of the workforce. The new ownership has done a great job with cutting out the extra crap from positions we don't need, getting rid of pointless positions, and giving those specific functions, duties, to other management or other positions. They've also done a great job with allowing personal trainers to stay on staff, which brings in the company a lot of money. And then they've also taken it upon themselves to give the front desk members more duties and training them on how to sell memberships, sell personal training, and clean throughout the gym. Before, front desk literally would sit there and just make sure everybody got checked in. If they wanted to buy something from the retail and the merchandising section, they checked them out there, but other than that, they did nothing but sit there on their phones. Now, where Gold's Gym has succeeded in this area, like I said before, they got rid of pointless positions. They consolidated duties into 2 management positions, which one saves them money and keeps managers busy instead of sitting around twiddling their thumbs. The other area they have succeeded in is keeping personal trainers on staff instead of contracting them out. Instead of getting rid of personal trainers and making them go to a third party, they realized how much work and how much of a benefit having trainers on staff is to the company, especially for the revenue. So they decided to keep us on staff and allow us to keep doing our thing. And then lastly, they have been training front desk employees to do everything from memberships to cleaning. Now front desk employees don't have to sit there and twiddle their thumbs or text on their phones or watch videos. They actually have a job to do, and they're helping a ton by getting memberships out, setting up sessions with personal trainers, and getting equipment clean in the gym to make sure everybody is feeling okay to be at the gym. So they've done a great job. They've done a great job with taking people's skills and their abilities. Everybody's got the skill to learn, and everybody has the ability to clean, and utilizing that to the max. And lastly, Gold's Gym has not failed in any area in utilizing employee skills and abilities. To conclude, Gold's Gym needs to work on communication with frontline employees. They've done a great job utilizing employee skills to the max to get everything done efficiently and to keep the gyms running smoothly. And then under new ownership, I can't wait to see the change to come, and I know that we're going to have to work a lot on managing that change. Thank you.